Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix package installer keeps stopping problem Android. Step 1. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve temporary glitches and clear out background processes that might be causing the problem. How to restart. Hold the power button, then select Restart or Reboot. Step 2. Clear cache and data of the package installer app. Go to Settings, Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Tap See All Apps if necessary. Scroll down and find Package Installer. This might be listed under the System Apps. Tap on it and select Storage. Tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart the device and try installing the app again. Step 3. Free App Storage Space. Go to Settings, Storage. Check if you're running low on storage. If so, remove unnecessary files, apps, or media. After freeing up space, restart your device and try installing the app again. Step 4. Check for software updates. Go to Settings, Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. After the update is installed, restart your device and try installation again. Step 5. Uninstall or disable recently installed apps. Go to Settings, Apps. Look for apps you recently installed and try uninstalling or disabling them. Restart your device and check if the issue persists. Step 6. Perform a factory reset as a last resort. Go to Settings, System, Reset, select Factory Data Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After the reset, check if the installation works. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!